Yeah, hello everyone. Clinton here, and welcome to the channel. So if you're joining us for the first time, I really do appreciate you and you're welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an alternative to the Binance P2P. P2P is to person transaction whereby Binance act as an escrow and they hold your fund, or they hold the sender's fund, and then once the buyer has clicked on fund has been successfully transferred, the seller has to check his or her account and then go over and click on release fund, and then the escrow will release the fund to the buyer with zero fees. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you an alternative to that. Let's say for instance you are trying to carry out some transaction and you don't want to use the P2P. I don't know for what reason someone would want to not use the P2P, but if ever you see yourself in this situation, there is an option for you to use. But mind you, this option is only limited to 3 countries. It's only limited to 3 countries. So these countries are Hong Kong, Philippines, and India. So in the Hong Kong, you have an option to use a bank account. In all 3 countries, there's an option to send with bank account, which the money is going to arrive in 1 business day. But there is an exclusive offer that the Philippine country has, whereby you can also use not only your bank account but also an e-wallet. So e-wallet is like for instance the Paymaya, Gcash, and some of other recognized e-wallet. So I'm going to show you guys a walk around through this method. And just for those of you that don't know, you cannot actually access this feature using the website. You have to use your mobile phone. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys something real quick. Okay, now we are in the website, as you can see, and once I come over to finance here, you cannot actually find that option that says send cash. Okay, so this is just a little thing I can show you on this part, and I'm gonna go over to my phone now and guide you guys through on how you can be able to do this. Okay, without wasting much time, let's go into the mobile version. All right, so once you log in your mobile version, and you can see from here it says from your home screen, from here just underneath the spotlight, you can see where it says deposit, referral, strategy trading, launchpad, liquidity farming, Binance NFT, and then the last option there is more. So you're going to click on more. Once you click on more, you have to go over to where it says finance, and from here you can see Binance Pay, crypto loan, your Binance card, and then the last option there is send cash. And if you notice, there is something above it is saying that this option is new, and yes, it is actually new. So once I click on it, you can see now that it says Hong Kong, transfer to Hong Kong, Philippines, India, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on all of them so you can see the available options. So once it's on Hong Kong, the payment method is bank account, and as you can see, so the other one is Philippines. Okay, I'll go over to India. The India has bank account, as you can see now, and the third one, which is Philippines, it has both bank accounts and e-wallet. So bank accounts is what it looks like, and the other one, which is the e-wallet. So once you click on e-wallet, you can see this is what it's going to show you. So from here you're going to put your name. I'm just going to put ABC, and then the e-wallet, for instance, yeah, is what I said. Yeah, the e-wallet is CoinsPH, Gcash, Paymaya Philippine Incorporated. So I'm just going to go ahead and just pick Gcash, and from here they're going to ask you for your number. Okay, so let's assume that's the number. Go ahead and put in the source of fund. I'm just going to put savings, and the recipient is you can just choose yourself. Okay, so or you can just go ahead and just select the recipient, your mother, your father, your brother, your sister, your friend. Okay, so once you're done with that, you go ahead and choose you can go ahead and choose the purpose. You can select personal transfer, and once you click on that, it's going to show you that you should continue. Once you click on continue, all right, so this is where it gets a little bit tricky. So from here now, you're going to ask yourself, where is the source of the, like, where are they going to actually debit you? So you have to make sure you have funds in your funding wallet. So once you come over to this part and you just click on how much peso you want to send actually, and mind you, this transaction is going to be instantly because it's the e-wallet. Maybe you want to send 1,000 peso, which is around $19 to $18, and then you're going to click on get quotation. So once you click on get quotation, this is going to show you the service fee for this is 139.6 pesos. So you are going to be actually making use of your funding wallet. So you can check my previous video on how you can transfer from sports wallet to your funding wallet, and that way you actually know how to make sure there is fund in your funding wallet. So currently now I don't have any cash in my funding wallet, but here they said if there is a refund, you'll be receiving 19.59 USDT. Okay, so let's assume I had money in my I had like $20 in my funding wallet. I'm just going to go ahead and just click on continue, and once I do that, and that will be the end of the transaction. So for now I don't have any money there, so I'm just going to go back, but I hope you guys actually like understood where I was actually heading to. So I can just go back, and once the transaction is successful, from here you can see existing recipient, and you can actually send money again to that same person. So that, guys, this is just exactly what I'm trying to talk about. This is an alternative to the Binance P2P. You can actually be sending money from your account, like currently if you have let's assume now in the Philippines, you're in the Philippines, but you want to send someone money to in India, you can actually just use this method and just impute the person's country here, and then put in the person bank account, and you can pay. Let's say you are trying to make a purchase from a shop or something there, and once you made this payment, you will get your receipt from here, and that is just everything. Very easy and very convenient. Okay, I'm going to end the video here. If you find this video interesting, give it a like, drop a comment in the comment section, and you can also consider subscribing to the channel. All right guys, have a good day and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.